just got a call from Ben today, and he's got a kind of unique story.
So I was fishing with a buddy yesterday. He had to use the bathroom, so he left his stuff over here. I made a rookie mistake by winding up and not looking behind me, and I caught onto his pole, which launched his pole into the water and snapped mine in the process.
Jeez.
I tipped it out and probably landed about 8 feet, 9 feet that way.
Okay.
15 at most. I was stunned. My first reaction was to jump in, and I was over the edge, like ready to jump in there, and
that's some dedication there.
take the cold. I've done the polar plunge a couple of times, so
we'll get down there and get it, and then I'm also gonna do a little dive through here, see if you can find anybody else's property that they might have lost. Someone left a bunch of line right here. Man, that stuff is thick. Wow. Yeah.
yes, that's it.
Cover out.
Yep.
Couple lures for you.
Okay, cool. Nice. Good for brown trout.
One lure for you.
Nice.
Got it?
Yep, got it.
Okay.
Hey, honey.
Not too bad. Some line in between the rocks over there. I'll have to get that another time. Yeah, thanks. Successful recovery. How you feeling right now?
Feeling a lot better. A big load off my shoulders, and it's a lot of money saved in my pocket.
And you get a couple free lures today.
And I got some nice ripping wraps.
Yeah.
Definitely catch some brown trout or walleye with these.
Nice. And they're brand new, it looks like, too.
They are.
Bonus.
I appreciate it. Thank you for coming out.
No problem, man. Thanks. All right, we're gonna get this line off the banks. Get some trash over here, too. Yeah. All right, got some trash out, too.